So in this short video tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to replace your original thumbsticks with some replacement ones. I've got some white ones here we're going to be putting onto this white DualSense, but this is more in response to Stephen's issue.
It's this bit here, this kind of little half sphere that popped out when it was dropped, and it had a little kink in it, as in it wasn't completely round anymore. I managed to pop it back in, but now that I have, this doesn't return to the centre.
This isn't his, but I've replicated his issue, and his thumbstick is not being reinstalled correctly. The stick post inside the analog stick is not sitting inside of the thumbstick. So there's a hole inside of the centre, and that's where your thumbstick and analog stick meet. Then the issue is that it gives him this. It's not sitting on that stick correctly, so it doesn't return to centre just as it should, like it is on this left stick. So to do this tutorial, you're going to need a Phillips Screwdriver and a little opening tool, but if you've got a good fingernail, that'll do too. Pry off the trim at the bottom. Take out your bumpers. And you're only going to need to undo 5 screws for this. So it is valuable to have a parts tray around so you don't lose anything. I'm just going to pop mine aside there. Don't forget the 2 underneath the bumpers. And at this stage, squeeze it open, use your thumb as leverage to create pressure, and then just use your opening tool just to knock those clips out. And this bit, you do want to add a little bit of force just to make sure it comes off. Take your battery out, so pull that gently. 1 screw in the middle. You will have a couple of ribbons, so it can help to use some tweezers in this situation. We'll just take that one up there. We won't take it out, and we'll just pull that one off as well. Again, we'll leave them in place. We'll just take them out of the sockets. You've got your trackpad. And then you've got 2 for your haptic triggers. Now, depending on which version of the controller you've got, you might have some retention clips for the board on the inside. So you just want to pop each side of those out. And then you should be able to push gently on your sticks. Now, that was actually a little easier than I thought because it'll just fall straight out of that. It wasn't attached. We're going to take them out. We'll insert our new ones, making sure they're aligned correctly. So they're on there snug. So this is your speaker. You want to make sure that goes back in the right place. Pop it into the plastic there and then reinstall everything the other way around. Not forgetting your microphone speaker underneath here. We don't want to pinch that and make it disappear underneath the board. So that falls off like mine has. You can tuck it back in. pushed in all around. Gonna reinsert our ribbons. Microphone. Grab the battery housing. Line that up so that screw falls into place when we're ready to pop that in. And then don't forget the screw before you do place the battery. So with this bit, you want to make sure this runner falls into the clip on either side. So you can squeeze it down at the top just to give it a little push. So that's looking good there, that's looking good there. When you're ready, give the controller a squeeze, make sure those two clips are in place. And then we're gonna put the rest of our screws in reverse. The last one. We want to match these up on the right side. This one's the R one, so it goes this way. And we've got the L one, which is on this side. Insert your face trim. Pushing it down into the corners and then push it down from the base. Let that click in and then just push them over the grips and let it sit into place. And that is our video. So it's resolved the issue with the stick. It now returns to center. We've got a brand new stick on there. You don't have to, you can just use your existing stick, though creating Steven's scenario, it did chew the stick up a little bit, so we shan't be using those anymore. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you found it useful, don't forget to share it to someone else who could find it useful too. Thank you for watching.